Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza on your laptop. First, ensure your laptop meets the game's minimum system requirements. Check your processor, graphics card, and RAM against the recommended specifications. A stable internet connection is also crucial for downloading the game and enjoying online features. Finally, consider using a compatible game controller for a more immersive experience. Once you've confirmed your laptop is ready, it's time to acquire the game. You can purchase Forza through the Microsoft Store or Steam, depending on your preference. Make sure your account is properly linked to access your purchase. After buying, proceed to download the game files, which can be quite large, so plan accordingly. After the download is complete, follow the on-screen prompts to install Forza on your laptop. Before launching, it's a good idea to adjust your graphics settings within the game's options menu to match your laptop's capabilities for optimal performance. Also, connect your preferred game controller, if you're using one, before starting the game for the first time. To ensure the best experience, regularly update your graphics drivers to their latest versions. Close any unnecessary background applications to free up your laptop's resources, giving Forza more power. Dive into the in-game settings to customize controls, visual preferences, and difficulty. Now you're all set to enjoy the thrilling world of Forza on your laptop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.